How to delete Wix website on phone. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up your Wix owner and log into your account. And once you do that, click on the sites drop down at the top center of the screen, in which you will find all of your sites right here. In order for you to delete one of them, click on the three dots at the top right of the screen, then click on Edit Site List at the bottom. Here, you will be able to delete any website by simply clicking on the three dots next to it, then click on Move to Trash at the bottom, and a window will appear that asks you, are you sure you want to move to trash, and tells you that once moved to trash, your site will be unpublished on the web and no longer available on your members app. Click on Move to Trash, and once the website has been moved to trash, click on Trash, then click on the three dots next to it and click on Delete at the bottom. Again, a window will appear that tells you what will happen when you delete your website. It tells you that you'll lose your site and members app history and won't be able to restore or edit it again. Click on Yes, Delete, and your website will be deleted forever. So that was it for this video. That's how you can delete a Wix website on your mobile. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.